Discover It secured graduation delays usually happen because the account has not met the conditions Discover uses before reviewing it for a possible upgrade to an unsecured card. If your Discover It secured card has not graduated, you'll learn what to check, why the review may be delayed, and what steps you can take next. The first step is checking your account history. Review whether your payments have been made on time, and whether your account is currently in good standing. A secured card graduation review is not the same as simply reaching a certain number of months with the card. The issuer reviews account activity and other factors before deciding whether to return your security deposit and move the account to an unsecured card. Check your Discover account online or through the Discover mobile app for any messages or account updates. Look for information about your account status, deposit status, or eligibility review. If you believe your account should have been reviewed, contact Discover customer service. Ask whether your account has been evaluated for graduation and whether any specific factor is preventing an upgrade. When contacting Discover, have your account information available and ask clear questions. Ask whether your payment history, account usage, or other account details are affecting the review. Continue using the card responsibly while waiting. Make payments on time, keep your balance manageable, and avoid actions that could negatively affect your credit profile. You can also check your credit reports to make sure the information being reported by Discover is accurate. Look for incorrect late payments, account status issues, or other errors that could affect your credit profile. If your credit report contains inaccurate information, follow the dispute process with the credit bureau, reporting the error, and provide supporting documents. The main fixes are checking your account status, confirming there are no reporting errors, and contacting Discover to understand why the graduation review has not happened. Your next step is to review your Discover account activity, check your credit reports, and contact Discover if you need a direct explanation about your secured card graduation status. If this helped you understand a Discover It secured graduation delay, like the video and subscribe for more credit card and credit building guides.